Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the kiosk session won't stall. Insert your registration info and payment when prompted. This speeds the flow. Once done, make sure the vehicle is at normal operating temperature by driving 10 to 15 minutes. Cold engines skew results. Next, position the tailpipe into the kiosk probe area and leave the engine idling. This provides a stable sample for the sensor. Don't stop. Follow on screen, prompts immediately to continue. You now execute the core test by following the kiosk prompts step by step. First, select the correct test type and enter the odometer reading. That data ties the result to your vehicle record. Then, if the kiosk asks you to hold a specific RPM, typically around 1500, comply briefly so readings stabilize. Watch the live sensor display. It shows CO, HC, and O2 levels. Once the system collects sufficient data, it will process and display pass or fail. You complete the session by retrieving the certificate and saving the receipt ID or QR code for records. This proves compliance. If the test fails, first check simple fixes. Tighten the gas cap, warm the engine with a short drive, then retry after 30 minutes because sensors need stable temps. If the kiosk shows an error or won't print, ask the attendant to reset it. Otherwise, rebooting the session yourself often clears transient faults. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.